Fahad was a smart boy, but he was very lazy. Whenever someone told him to do his work, he would say, I will do it later. He always did his homework late, read his books late, and even got ready for school at the last moment. One day, his teacher told the class, tomorrow everyone must bring a special assignment. Whoever does it on time will get a prize. Fahad thought, I will do it tomorrow. But then he stopped and said to himself, what if I try to finish it today? That evening, Fahad sat down, worked hard, and finished his assignment. He felt proud. The next day at school, the teacher checked everyone's work. She smiled and said, well done, Fahad. You did your work on time. I am proud of you. The whole class clapped for him. Fahad was very happy. From that day, Fahad decided to always do his work on time.